So, again, the key takeaways here is infidelity can stem from deeper emotional issues and insecurities within individuals. You need communication, self-reflection, forgiveness. Ultimately, it's got to be good timing on that. You can't just forgive too quickly, but they're essential for healing and rebuilding trust in relationships. So, communication, learning to have affirmation from within rather than just without, learning to communicate, know that sometimes you're not going to have your needs met all the time, bear it, but communicate it, try to solve problems as a couple rather than just being a soloist. Okay, so can a relationship survive infidelity?